Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to change your preferred network type as 5G. So here's my Google Pixel 7a. Swipe up for the menu, then open Settings application, then select Network and Internet. You can see here first option. Open that, then select Internet, then select a gear icon after the Internet. Okay, here you can see option of preferred network type, bottom of the page. Currently it is on LTE. You can simply select 5G, that is recommended network, and now you are successfully selected 5G as your preferred network type. And here is 5G is more faster, but it will use more, it will consume more battery. So whatever you like, you can simply select preferred network types at 5G or 4G. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.